Arutwo milioni 1,253 arĩa mekire kĩgeranio gĩa KPSEA gatagatĩ ga tarĩki 28 na tarĩki 30 mweri wa 11 mwaka mũhĩtũku rĩu mekwambĩrĩria gĩthomo kĩa junior secondary tarĩki 30 mweri ũyũ. Minister wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu oigĩte arutwo acio arĩa megũthomera cukuru cia mũingĩ marĩrĩhagĩrwo nĩ thirikari ciringi 15,000 o mwaka.
In total, the government will spend Kenya shillings 9.6 billion for the runners in a junior secondary school this calendar year. It therefore means that no school should charge any fees for grade 7 runners unless such schools are reporting wings. And this one will repeat that there will be no school fees payable in any of our public schools because you know that this is the constitutional requirement that the basic education, primary to secondary, is compulsory and free.
Ona gũtuĩka arutwo junior secondary megũthomera o cukuru-inĩ cia mũthingi megũthoma na uniform ngũrani na cia arutwo arĩa angĩ.
Sad, a decision has been made that parents and the boards of management agree on the new uniforms for junior secondary school runners. So we are also saying that at this particular level, because it is secondary, the uniform will not be the same, and each and every board of management will be able to make a decision as to the color and the type of uniform that students will be required to put on. And of course, as is the case, the parents will have to bear the responsibility.
Thirikari nĩ ĩranĩire kwandĩka arutani 30,000 a junior secondary.
And also the number of teachers we are recruiting, a number of them will be graduates who will be posted to junior secondary schools. So the issue of lack of teachers to teach in junior secondary school does not arise.
Kwambĩrĩria wa kerĩ ga kiumia gĩkĩ nĩrĩo moimĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KPSEA makarekererio kũgerera rũrenda rwa kanjũ ya igeranio NEC. Gũkũ kanjũ ya mĩtaratara ya gĩthomo hamwe na komishoni ya arutani makĩũrio kũheana mawoni mao ma kĩgeranio kĩu nĩguo gũtereba arutwo na arutani a junior secondary.
I also direct the council to hold a joint discussions with the KPSEA and the TSC on the national KPSEA reports with a view to providing feedback on the CPC curriculum that can inform ongoing curriculum reviews.
Thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthũrima wagĩrĩru wa macukuru marĩa megũkorwo magĩthomera na gũkinyĩria wa gatano ga kiumia kĩhĩtũku cukuru 13,000 cia mũingĩ na kĩũmbe nĩcio ihĩtũkĩtio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.